Welcome to Norway. Welcome to Norway and our clean and dry air. This is a beautiful Norwegian summer day, and if you want just as dry air in your home as we got here, let me introduce you to this dehumidifier. This is our Arida Larvik. It's called Larvik because this area that I'm in here now, that is Larvik area in the south of Norway. This dehumidifier is a very good dehumidifier for keeping your laundry room dry, keeping your indoor spaces dry in temperatures that are normal indoor temperatures. This is a modern looking dehumidifier. It is wheels in the bottom, and that's important when you use it in the laundry room, because imagine you put up your clothes on the clothes rack and the dehumidifier is, you should move it. Then you don't need to lift a 10-12 kilo dehumidifier and put it aside. With this one, you can just push it and move it to wherever you want it. This dehumidifier has a display on the top here where you can see the humidity in the room, and you can also control it with the buttons here. In addition, if you want, you can connect it through Wi-Fi to your phone, and then you can control the dehumidifier from your phone. That's very handy. You don't need to, but you can if you want. This dehumidifier has the tank on the back, and as you can see, it's very easy to turn it around because of the wheels. The tank here, that's where the water comes. You can also connect a hose here and get the water out and drain it. Then you don't need to empty the tank. This is a modern looking, very efficient 12-liter dehumidifier. When I said 12 liter, that means that this dehumidifier can remove 12 liters of water from your air every 24 hours. That's quite impressive for a machine this size. So, Arida Larvik, that's my recommendation to you. Thanks for watching.